Hi, in this video you will learn about equivalent Boolean expressions. In the previous lesson, you learned how to evaluate compound Boolean expressions using logical operators. In this example, the cannot write Boolean is being assigned the result of the compound Boolean expression not tall enough or not old enough. This means that if the user is not tall enough or if they are not old enough, cannot write will evaluate to true. Let's see this in action. In looking at the compound expression for cannot write, tall enough is true and old enough is false. Because the not keyword is placed before both of these variables, each evaluates to their opposite values. Next, this expression uses the OR operator. Because at least one of the conditions is true, the compound expression resolves to true. Interestingly, the expression not tall enough or not old enough from the previous example can also be written as not quantity tall enough and old enough. And you can say that these two Boolean expressions are equivalent if they evaluate to the same value in all cases, which these do. This particular equivalency was first discovered by Augustus de Morgan, who was a British mathematician and logician. He created two rules about how to create equivalent Boolean expressions. De Morgan's laws show how you can create equivalent Boolean expressions by negating ands and ors in compound Boolean statements. Not quantity A and B is the same as not A or not B. Not quantity A or B is the same as not A and not B. When written out in Java, the equivalent expressions look like this. When looking at these statements, it's not obvious that these statements are equivalent. You may be wondering, how are these Boolean expressions equivalent? You can use a truth table to prove these expressions are. The left side will focus on not quantity A and B, and we'll look at every combination of A and B to see what the result is. The first possible combination for the value of A and B would be true and true. Another combination is that A can be true and B can be false. A third combination is A can be false and B can be true. And lastly, A can be false and B can be false. That's every combination possible. Now let's look at what happens with A and B in each case. True and true results in true. True and false is false. False and true is false. And false and false is false. To fill in the last column, you just need to take the opposite of the value in the A and B column. So true, false, false, false becomes false, true, true, true. Now let's do the exact same thing with not A or not B. First, add all the possible combinations of true and false to the A and B columns. For column not A, you take the opposite of everything in column A. For column not B, you just take the opposite of everything in column B. To get the final column, you just OR the last two columns together. False or false is false, false or true is true, true or false is true, and true or true is true. As you can see, for all the possible A and B combinations, the results of not quantity A and B and not A or not B are the same. This proves that writing either of these expressions will result in the same evaluation. Now let's use our truth tables to confirm the OR statement. As you can see, the evaluation of not quantity A or B is equivalent to that of not A and not B. No matter what the inputs of A and B are, both sides of the statement have equivalent results. So both of these statements are true, and you can use De Morgan's law in your programs. This can help you simplify your Boolean expressions. Let's do a few practice problems using De Morgan's laws to rewrite some Boolean expressions. Using De Morgan's laws, what would be the equivalent of the expression below? This uses the not A or B structure of De Morgan's laws, which can be rewritten as not A and not B. Using De Morgan's laws, you can distribute the not and change the or to and. So you end up with not has headlight and not has bike light. Let's do one more. Using De Morgan's laws, what would be the equivalent of the expression below? This uses the not A and B structure of De Morgan's laws, which can be rewritten as not A or not B. Using De Morgan's laws, you distribute the not and change the and to or. So you get the equivalent expression not x is greater than 3 or not y is less than 5. Now that you've learned about De Morgan's laws and truth tables for evaluating compound Boolean expressions, let's get some practice using them in the CodeHS code editor.